Today, we're going to talk about molasses and how this food can benefit our health. Molasses is a thick syrup that people use as a sweetener. It is a byproduct of sugar making process and it comes from crushed sugar cane or sugar beets. There are three main different types of molasses depending on the number of times the sugar was processed. They include the light molasses, dark molasses, blackstrap molasses, and others will be the sulphur or unsulfured molasses. But in this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 health benefits of one of the types called Blackstrap molasses, and I have one right here. This is my Blackstrap molasses. This is the syrup that results from the third boiling point. It is the thickest and darkest type of molasses with a bitter taste. And Blackstrap molasses is also the most concentrated form, containing the most vitamins and minerals. And for this reason, it has the most trusted source health benefits. Blackstrap molasses is nutritious than refined sugar. It contains ions, calcium, potassium, vitamin B6, magnesium, manganese, copper, selenium, and others. So let's look at some science-based health benefits of blackstrap molasses. For your bone health, molasses is a good source of calcium, iron, selenium, and copper, of which help strengthen the bones and prevent osteoporosis. Blackstrap molasses provides 10% of the daily requirement of the mineral calcium in a single tablespoon of 50 ml for bone health. It can be an addition to other equally food that improves bone density like the nuts, the seeds, and the dairy products. For blood sugar regulation, it can be a simple, better substitute for refined sugar because it won't spike insulin or blood sugar like refined sugar does, especially for those who have blood sugar issues like the diabetes. But that being said, it should be taken in moderation, and then it improves anemia. Blackstrap molasses is rich in iron, which can be used as a supplement to treat iron deficiency anemia. Its iron bioavailability is around 85%, which is considered high and better than the other types. For constipation in children, blackstrap molasses works as a natural remedy for childhood constipation. And the polysaccharides, fiber, and the potassium may be responsible for regulating muscle contraction to promote evacuation of stool. And lastly, it promotes hair growth. Iron deficiency is common in men and women with hair loss. The high iron content of blackstrap molasses helps promote healthy hair growth and then even prevent premature hair growing. But always remember that portion control is very important. So go ahead and try blackstrap molasses. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video right up here. Always remember that God wants you healthy. Your health, your life. God bless you.